We got quite the weather here in Prescott, Arizona. Got some wind going on. I got my package in from Extreme Terrain, and it's got the wind blowing, so I'm gonna try and put these in while recording it with one hand, and I'll put them in with the other hand and see how easy they are to go in. Floor mats. I got them laid out here. See what they do. How they look when they're in. See how she fits in there. From a good old rugged ridge. Oh yeah, snug as a bug in a rug. Nice fitment for the subwoofer. Passenger side. Line it up here. There it is. Huh. Man, a little bit harder than what the. Oh man. Well, it's in. Yeah. This one's gonna be a little bit difficult to do with one hand and record it. Let's see. Oh, I'll get that one out. Gotta get this mat out. Okay, put that out. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Dang, look at that. Let this fit right in there. Dang. It's the other side. Oh, look at that. Okay. Oh man. Oh man, that's badass. Now for the driver's side here. Yeah, it's got to get in there. Okay, I think it's in. Oh man, sometime out. Oh yeah, nice and clean for now. Yeah, that looks nice. Oh yeah. Out with the old and in with the new. All right, well, that's it. They're in. Yeah, a little bit of trouble trying to do it with one hand. So just trying to get those buttons in. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I like these rugged ridge, so they're nice and thick, and got the grooves to keep all the dirt in there. So yeah, check out Rugged Ridge, baby.